Dear baby girl, a smart single woman knows she can increase her value to an employer through professional development and continuing education. In other words, she keeps learning, and you should too. Take classes, pursue new certifications, or earn a degree that will enhance the skills you already have. You should also attempt to learn everything you possibly can about your employer's operations, its products, and even its competitors. The new knowledge you acquire will increase your value as an employee. Your knowledge may also become a powerful hedge against layoffs and downsizing. But even if you are downsized, your knowledge could become a marketable advantage when you seek employment with another organization that could use your experience and expertise. Always remember, new knowledge and skills can trigger new opportunities. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home, and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed with all my love, your dad.